everyone, in this video we'll learn about template driven form in Angular 12. So we'll start with what is template driven form. Here we use directive and attributes in our template to provide behaviors and validations. And also it uses two-way data binding technique by using ng model directive. We'll discuss a demo on template driven form. Here I have created a project called template driven form by entering command ng new template driven form in command prompt. And next we'll extend this source after this app. In this project we have only one component, that is app component, with different files like HTML, CSS and TypeScript. And if you notice here there is one more file called app-routing.module.ts file. This file is included because while creating template driven form project, I have selected option S for the question, would you like to add Angular routing? So next I need to display GoGetMyGuru logo with string welcome to GoGetMyGuru Mart and two links for home and register. For that we have to create three components: header, home, register. When user click on register link, user should get register page with displaying welcome to GoGetMyGuru Mart register page with form which contains text boxes to enter username, email and phone number and password, and then submit button. After filling the form, when user click on submit button, that data should be displayed on our console. So we'll create three components: header, home, register. So we'll go to VS Code. So here I have created three components by entering command ng generate component/header, home and register. So that in components folder, header, home, register components are created with different files. So next we'll go to header component. In that we'll click on header.component.html. Here we'll comment this line, header works. In header component I need to display GoGetMyGuru logo and string welcome to GoGetMyGuru Mart and links for home and register. So for that, to display GoGetMyGuru logo, I have selected here header tag. In header tag I have selected image tag. In image tag, for source attribute, I have copied the image address of GoGetMyGuru logo from GoGetMyGuru official website. And to display welcome to GoGetMyGuru Mart, I have selected here h1 tag. In that I have written welcome to GoGetMyGuru Mart. And to get link for home and register on header, I have selected unordered list tag. In that I have selected list tag. In list tag I have written router link is equal to home. I have given link name as home. And for register, once again selected list tag. In that I have written router link is equal to register and I have given the link name as register. Then I have added CSS for this HTML file. So I'll click on header.component.css. Here for header I have selected display flex, background color light blue, justify content space around. For image tag I have selected max height 100px, and for h1 tag selected color brown, text align center, and for unordered list and list tag selected display flex, flex direction. This header HTML code I have already explained in our previous event binding video. You can watch by clicking link which is mentioned in description box. Next we'll go to home.component.html. Here we'll comment this line. Once again we'll take here h1 tag. In h1 tag we'll write welcome to GoGetMyGuru Mart homepage. If you want, you can apply CSS for this file by clicking on home.component.css. To get user registration form, we'll go to register component. In that we'll click on register.component.html. Here we'll comment this line. Here when user click on register link, user should get register form for GoGetMyGuru Mart to enter details of user. So I will take here form tag. So I'll delete this action. Here to display welcome to GoGetMyGuru Mart register page, I'll take h1 tag. In that I'll write here welcome to GoGetMyGuru Mart register page. Next, to make user to enter username, I'll take paragraph tag. Here I'll write username. Inside this paragraph tag, I'll take input tag, and here I'll select type is equal to text. Then I will write here name is equal to username and placeholder is equal to enter your name. Then to enter user email ID, I'll select paragraph tag and here I'll write email ID. Then I'll select input tag. In input tag, I'll select type is equal to text and name is equal to email ID. Next I'll write placeholder is equal to enter your email ID. After this, to enter user mobile number, I'll select one more paragraph tag and here I'll write user mobile number. Again in this paragraph tag, I'll select one more input tag and here I'll select type is equal to text and name is equal to, in double quotes I'll write here phone number. Then again I'll select here placeholder is equal to, then I'll write here enter your mobile number. And to enter password, again I'll select paragraph tag. Here I'll write password. Then I will select input tag and for type I'll select text and name is equal to password. Here I'll write password and placeholder is equal to enter password. And to submit all this user entered data, I'll select button tag. Here I will give button name as submit. Next, to get user entered data on register form on console, here I'll create one template reference variable called as user register form is equal to, in double quotes here I'll write ng form. So what is this ng form? This ng form is a directive which is provided by the forms module. To submit form, here we use ng submit directive. Here we'll write ng submit is equal to, in double quotes we'll write here function called register form. Inside this function we'll write reference variable, that is user register form. User register form. Next, to add CSS for this form, I'll create here class is equal to register hyphen section. For register hyphen section class, I have selected border 2px, solid coral, border radius 5px, background color light gray, text align center, margin top 5px, margin left 300px and margin right 300px in register.component.css. Next, we'll go to register.component.ts. In register.component.ts, first we have to import here ng form. So I'll write here capital N G, then select this ng form. After importing the ng form, here we'll implement for the register form function. So I'll write here register form. So in this function, I'll write here reference variable, that is user register form colon ng form. Next, to get the user enter data on console, I'll write here console.log. In this, I'll write reference variable, that is user register form dot value. So now class file is ready. For routing, we'll go to app-routing.module.ts. Here, const called routes, which is an empty array. Inside this, we have to write path colon. In single quotes, we'll write here home, comma, component colon home component. Then I will give here tab, so that home component will be imported. Next, for register, I'll take here curly brackets. Again, I'll write here path colon. In single quotes, I'll write here register, comma, component colon register component. Then I will give here tab, so that register component will be imported to app-routing.module.ts file. The routing concept I have already explained in our previous video. You can watch by clicking link in description box. Next, we'll go to app.component.html. Here we'll write app-header tag. After this, for routing, here we'll write router-outlet tag. Now we'll run this code. So I'll open terminal by giving control backtick, and here I'll type command ng-serve-o. Here project is not compiled successfully, getting error, no directive found with export has ng form. And also, if you open browser, we'll see what it is displaying. Here it is displaying cannot get /. It is because of we have not imported forms module to app.module.ts file. So we'll click on this app.module.ts. Here we'll import, here we'll write import curly brackets form module. In imports also we have to write here forms module. Now we'll run this project. We'll open terminal, and here I'll give command ng-serve-o. So now project is compiled successfully. Then we'll go to browser. Here template driven form project is running on localhost :4200. And in header, it is displaying Go Get My Guru logo with string welcome to Go Get My Guru Mart and links for home and register. If I click on home link, it will go to home page with displaying welcome to Go Get My Guru Mart home page. Now I will click on register link. So it is navigating to register page displaying welcome to Go Get My Guru Mart register page. And text boxes to enter username, email ID, user mobile number and password, then submit button. So now I will open here console by giving F12. In console, initially it is not displaying anything here. So what I'll do now here, I'll enter username as Go Get My Guru. Then I will give email ID as gogetmyguru@gmail.com and user mobile number as 7411348708, then password as password. Next, I'll click on submit button. After that, whatever the data I have entered in this form should be displayed to our console. So I'll click on this submit. In console, I'm not getting any data. The reason is I have not added ng model to register.component.html. For all fields, we'll add here ng model directive. So for email ID field also I'll write here ng model. Then for mobile number text field, again I'll write here ng model, and for password field also I'll write here ng model. So now we'll open terminal, and here it is showing project is compiled successfully. Then we'll go to browser. Now we'll enter the data. For username, GoGetMyGuru, and for email ID, gogetmyguru@gmail.com, and for user mobile number 7411348708, and for password I have given here password. Then I'll click on this submit button. So in console we are getting the data which I have entered in register form. For username it is displaying GoGetMyGuru, and for email ID gogetmyguru@gmail.com, and phone number 7411348708, and for password. This is all about the template driven form in Angular 12. Please subscribe to our channel, help us to grow. Thanks for watching.